Everyone is familiar with the 5 ages of man and woman: infant, child, teen, adult, elder. Though these stages have held true from prehistory to present, what these stages look like and how technology affects those stages requires that we make some updates to our chart. Presenting the 5 stages of microwave man and woman. Even prior to birth, humans in the age of microwave are subjected to a barrage of pulsed, data-modulated, radio-frequency electromagnetic microwave radiation. This exposure continues throughout early childhood development, and research shows that while this radiation damages our health at all stages, we are most at risk when we are very young. Meet the modern babysitter. American children spend an average of 23 hours each week staring in rapt wonder at a screen that is pumping their little heads full of microwave radiation. We are still learning about the long-term effects of this exposure, but it ain't good. When was the last time you saw a group of teens without a cell phone in hand? Teens spend an average of 7.5 hours every day Snapchatting and socializing and sizzling their overwrought and impressionable neurons. This is exacerbated by radiation from wireless routers and Bluetooth devices, especially those worn on the body or kept in the ears. The documented dangers of this behavior include anxiety, depression, and suicidal ideation. As adults, our usage decreases to an average of about 3 hours daily. Because mobile technologies are relatively new, only the very youngest adults have been subjected to such extreme levels of radiation for large portions of their lives. The coming generations will have received dramatically higher lifetime levels by their adult years. Usage statistics decline as we get older, perhaps because we can no longer see those confounded tiny screens. It's more likely that as generations that grew up with mobile devices age, this will change. It could also be that given a lifetime of excessive radiation levels and the ties with that exposure to cancer, immune dysfunction, cognitive decline, and all the rest, that we may have irradiated ourselves to death before ever getting to the final stage.